You scroll through hundreds of videos a day, but can't remember a single page of your textbook. Your brain isn't broken. It's just filtering out the wrong stuff. Memory is basically your brain holding on to things it thinks you'll need later in life. And it's a pretty tricky process because your brain is constantly absorbing tons of information from your environment. Think about it. How many videos do you watch? How much do you scroll? And how many conversations do you have every single day? Every single second, your brain has to decide what's important and what needs to be trashed. Imagine having thousands of books in front of you. If you tried to shove all that info into your head at once, it'd be impossible. That's why your brain acts like a filter. It keeps the useful stuff and automatically deletes the spam and the garbage. That's exactly why it's super important to understand how memory actually works and how you can make it stronger. If you seriously want to level up your memory, watch this video till the end, because I'm going to give you 5 actionable steps that will take your memory to the next level. Let's get into it. Time your focus. First off, understand that focus isn't a permanent state. It's not constant. It comes and goes in waves. Sometimes you feel super dialed in and absorb information quickly, and other times your brain feels completely empty after just 10 minutes of reading. What does this mean? You need to learn to work during your most productive windows. Stick to short 20 to 25-minute study sessions using the Pomodoro technique or focus waves. When your mind naturally starts getting tired, don't force it. Take a quick 2 to 5 minute break. This multiplies your retention rate. Your memory consolidates, and you'll remember way more in less time. I used this exact strategy during my exams, studying in small bursts with mini breaks in between. The result? I remembered way more and felt way less stressed. 2. Test yourself. Self-quizzing. Don't just reread what you just studied or watched. Test yourself on it. For example, instead of just reading, "Delhi is the capital of India," close the book and ask yourself, what is the capital of India? Doing this forces your brain into retrieval mode. Your prefrontal cortex actively tries to pull that data from your memory bank, and it's this exact retrieval process that makes your memory rock solid. Pro tip: 1 or 2 hours after studying a topic, quiz yourself. Grab a piece of paper and write down everything you remember. During my entrance exams, I used to quiz myself every night on the whole day's topics, and trust me, my retention was unbelievably strong. 3. Chunking. Break big things down. Break massive things into bite-sized pieces. If you try to memorize a massive chapter all at once, your brain won't even store it. It'll just get overloaded. The fix? Divide the chapter into smaller sections. Memorize the first part, then the second, then the third. Once you've got 3 parts down, review them all together. Slowly, your brain starts treating them as one single unit. This is called chunking. Think of it like packing a suitcase. Carrying a bunch of loose clothes in your arms is super hard, but throwing them all into one suitcase and carrying that is incredibly easy. Your memory works on the exact same principle. 4. Use your senses. Use as many senses as you can. When it comes to building a strong memory, your eyes, visual memory, and your ears, auditory memory, are the heavy hitters. For example, to remember the points in this video, you're already watching and listening, so 2 senses are active. But you can trigger a third one, touch, or your hands. For instance, drop a comment right now saying, "I will improve my memory." By typing that out, you're getting your hands involved. Multisensory learning makes your memory incredibly strong. So, whenever you're learning something new, visualize it. Picture it in your head. Say it out loud to a rhythm or a beat. Write down physical notes. Doing this ensures that whatever you learn sticks with you for a long time. 5. Rest and recovery. Recharge that brain of yours. Breaks are not a waste of time. They are a literal part of the learning process. Your attention span can't stay peaked forever, so definitely take those 2 to 5 minute breaks after every 20 to 30 minutes of studying. But the ultimate key here is sleep. Your memories are actually stored while you sleep. Everything you learn during the day gets properly organized and filed away by your brain overnight. And it's not just about sleep. Movement and exercise are huge too. When you work out, your body produces a protein called BDNF, which acts like cement for your memory. Think of information as bricks. Without the cement, the wall is just going to fall down. So make sure you get some physical activity in every single day, whether it's going for a walk, skipping rope, cycling, or doing push-ups. I really hope you found this video genuinely helpful, especially for all you students out there grinding for your exams.